Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'm gonna explain and solve some C problems which is related to the our course which 101 or 108, it depends on which course you are taking right now. Let's just get started. Firstly you need to read the question carefully. Here is mentioned they need the output of the following segment. Alright, so first of all you have to check for the keyword. Right, you have to check the key word which is switch and case. All right, after you check it, we're gonna see the variable here ch is equal to b. All right, and the inside switch is ch is equal to b. What does switch mean? Switch mean is about checking, just check if ch or b is equal one of this one. If it equal, then it's gonna print something or do a code, you know, or the orders after this column. All right, so let's start. Here we need to see b is here, and we need to look after b. Where's the b? Yes, this is the b, and there's nothing here, nothing in this side, nothing after this column. So we move down, and there's b here because we just substitute b to this side. See, this b is gonna be here, so it's gonna output the first b. Then there's no break here. Don't be confused. If the break did existed here, then they just only print one b, the other one will be vanished. And now related, because there's no break here, we'll go down and check, then it's gonna print another b and stop. So break mean stop, right? Switch mean check if ch is equal to any one of these one, do this one or do any one of these codes. All right, I hope this one be clear for you. If it's not, I'm just like explain it more and show you the results in our application. And go to our application, this one. See here, we just copy it, and the result is bb. All right, so we just do some changes, put a break here, so it's gonna be b1 is gonna be here, there's no break here. Let's go to this one. The only is gonna print only b, then because it stopped, this code will be skipped. All right, see here, it's gonna be b. What if it a, for example, a capital? The only thing it will be print a capital because this break here. What if this break doesn't exist, this one doesn't exist, then it's gonna print a four times. See, a a a and a. All right, so now let's go to the second one. Oh, this question might be confuse a lot of students. All right, um you might be asked, oh, what the heck, what does question mark means, and here, what does this column means, what the heck, what does this all of this means? All right, just want to copy it and paste it here to explain it carefully and rewrite it in the correctly way. Just write it correctly way. Now, this sentence mean that if statement is exactly like if it's statement in different method or different way. See here, this question mark is equal to if, and this column is else, and here is mentioned if a is capital than b, then print r is a multiplied by a. If a is smaller than be smaller here, not greater, then it's gonna be print here. So, or we're gonna see if this one, then print this one. If it not, print this one. I'm just write it in the form we know. We just write it this one, A capital and B capital. This is the checking. Then write this one. R is gonna be equal A multiply by A. Close it. Here we need to just write the same. This one, the same. Just put it here, and we write here else 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 is gonna be else B multiplied by B multiply by B. Here's equal, of course, maybe R equal to B multiplied by B capital. Don't forget to make it both of them capital. Now this is the exactly same as this one. Just wanna cut this one to show you the result. The result is equal to 1. Now we just cut this one, and I made a mistake. Now just delete this one. Alright, so it's supposed to be the same result, which it is 100. Now let's move to the third questions. Here's might also confuse a lot of students. Here's mention follow the values for the as an input 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Right, so here of course there is multiple of input, then we need to use while because multiple, and there is 5 variable, 5 inputs, so we need to write it I is less than or equal to 5. So while is because we have inputs, different inputs, and a lot of inputs, 5 inputs. So we need to scan from the users and initialize it to ++. And now here we have the condition. We just need to work on this one. Alright, so first of all we need to substitute 3 instead of n. Alright, and this means reminder 3 divided by 2 is gonna be the remainder is gonna be 1. Alright, so it's not equal to 1. Continue means just escape or jump. Alright, so if this one if n for example 4, they will escape this one, but here is 3. Right, so they will not escape. They will put it here in this formula, which is s plus equal n. It means this one. Just I want to explain to you here. S plus equal n is exactly like s equal s plus n. Alright, so now we're gonna see, just wanna see, right, see, we just put 3 here, so the remainder is gonna be